the sneezing giraffe, and the missing Achoo. Gentle, playful music begins, light woodwinds and plucks. It's a breezy morning on the giggly grasslands. The sun is stretching, the trees are swaying. Giraffe's nose twitches, eyes crossed, sensing something near. Face crumples, ears wiggle, sniffing air. Gone again. Why would a sneeze come all the way to the edge of my nose and then run away like it forgot something at home? Music pauses for comic effect. I've tried everything. Sniffing pepper, looking at the sun, even letting a baby zebra tickle my nostrils with a dandelion. But no sneeze. Just nose disappointment. Hee hee. A butterfly floats by and rests gently on her nose. Hopeful. Oh, maybe this will do it. Sniff, sniff. Ha! The butterfly looks concerned. Never mind. Groans dramatically. What if I never sneeze again? What if I'm the first giraffe in history to have a permanent sneeze face? How will I eat? How will I nap? How will I play the flute with my nose again, like I usually do? Suddenly, a breeze whispers through the trees, and with it, a silly little idea. Calming down. Wait, maybe I don't need to force the sneeze out. Maybe I need to be nice to it. She stands tall, breathes deep, and closes her eyes. Hi there, little sneeze. I know you're scared, but I promise, I'm ready. You don't have to hide anymore. Hopeful swelling music. Whenever you're ready, I'm ready too. Sniffs gently, even if it tickles. Silence, breeze, a moment of stillness, sighing. Well, I tried. Takes a step forward, blinks dazed. Whoa! A whole row of trees sways backward. The butterfly does a backflip. A nearby meerkat claps politely, beaming. That was amazing. I sneezed. I actually sneezed, and I feel incredible. She sniffs the air again. I think that sneeze left room for a snack. Time for a giant bowl of eucalyptus cereal, and maybe to some banana-flavored clouds. Makes silly chewing noises and walks away happily. Ending music cue, light, floaty, magical, off-screen. And if I ever lose my sneeze again, I'll just be kind to it. Even sneezes like a little love sometimes. Have you ever had a sneeze that just wouldn't come out? What silly things did you try? Did you blow bubbles with your nose? Eat pepper popcorn? We'd love to hear your story. Or draw us a picture of your silliest sneeze face. And don't forget, next time you feel a sneeze hiding, take a deep breath, be kind, and let it know it's safe to come out. Subscribe for more silly stories from the giggly grasslands. And remember, even sneezes love a little kindness.